Alright, so today we'll be making a nice water sweetened blend, and it's either oat based, seed based, or other seed based. One is pepitas, the other one is almonds, the other one is oat. These are the least heavily concentrated blends that you'll be able to make using something such as purified water, a nice grade of sugar, a nice grade of salt, and then we also have some honey as well. These are the three different types of sweetener blends. As you can make milk that would be not basically derived from milk and put into that type of laxative format, but this is actually going to be something that is easy on the digestive system, which is why I related to sweetened water or flavored water. I mean, that's literally what it is. You're taking purified water, a seed, a grain, any type of nut that you want to. If you wanted to, you would even be able to take just straight dates or straight raisins, a little bit of sweetener, and then use that as a substitute that would be easy on the digestive system, especially in this age where a lot of people are congested. Not only congested, but they are also constipated. So we're trying to get the lymphatic system to function properly as the human body was designed for. And also we want the tracts to be able to flow. So you can relieve a lot of the toxins that are within the body that actually allows for you to be able to function more on a cognitive level, and also allows you to be able to have better function throughout your day. So the gut directly correlates with the mood and the function of the body. So if we are constipated and backed up on a nutritional, a scientific, and on a holistic level, it's practically a lot of disimbalances in the brain because you're not able to use your hormones properly because things are backed up. This also affects directly your urinary tract. It also affects your gonads and a lot of the different male and female anatomy correlation, just for function to be able to happen properly throughout the body. Like I said, you want your nervous system along with your parasympathetic and sympathetic system to be able to fire and do what it's supposed to do without being backed up. So the items that we have is 32 ounces of purified water, a strainer, a plastic container if that's what you're going to be using to contain it up. Make sure that it's BPA free and of culinary grade. I have a knife just because you can scrape the sides of the blender or bowl that you're using. I have two different styles of measuring cups. I also have a container to add the fluid in, again BPA and culinary grade. I have a seed grinder, also known as a coffee grinder. This can be used specifically to be able to allow for finer grain consistency, which will allow for when you add the contents to the blender, you get a much more flavorful blend. We also have a cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove blend. This right here is really important if you want to make some spiced milk. Like I said, we have the organic, gluten-free oats. We have some almonds, really great. We also have some pepitas, also known as pumpkin seeds. It's a different genome, but it's still the same family. We have some Himalayan pink salt. We have some cane sugar with molasses, which is the dark brown sugar. And then we also have some fine grain honey. We have paper towels that are going to be really easy for cleanup, as this might get messy for some people, and it's always good to have something on hand that you can basically just wipe the perimeters of the blender or whatever object you have. I'm using a stainless steel culinary grade table. If you don't have this, countertop space is going to be important. So just make sure you clear off your countertop space. I have a cooking pan just to keep items in an orderly fashion. Also 1 tablespoon. This is for scooping the contents out, or just actually getting a portion size without having to use these other different type of measuring containers.